Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the volume of a solid with square cross-sections is actually super fast. We will integrate the side length squared over the entire region. First, we identify the boundaries of region R in the first quadrant. The upper curve is 8 cosine of 0.5x, while the lower curve is the given quadratic. Next, we set up the integral for the volume by squaring the difference between these two functions. This represents the area of each square cross-section along the x-axis. Finally, evaluate the definite integral from 0 to the intersection point. This calculation yields 34.173, which is option A. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps.